So anyone brief me about the yesterday's session, please?
Yesterday we discussed about notifications.
Okay. And we also about multiple other tables also, right?
Yes.
So did you all try to activate some of the plugin in your system?
Sure.
Sharing my screen. Okay, here I'm going to show you about the documents that are in the ServiceNow. So how does this documents get work for the ServiceNow? So in the HRSD, we will be using the document so widely, we will be using it for multiple other advantages also. Okay. So here we are going to document sign. So we have DocuSign, document signatures, adding the signature and getting it back as a template and attaching it to some other word or like some of the cases within our service now. For this criteria, we will be using the DocuSign. Now, firstly, we try to create our HR document templates. I'm just going to tell you the steps and you can able to follow. Let me show you the first example. For that, I have to go to the HR document template in the system. So once I go to the HR document template system, I can already view few of the items in the system that a USA, Canada, these things and I could see already this template is available in the format. And now I will be adding the signature and the date to the system. Okay. Here I could see the date already, but still I'm going to add a signature and date. So how I will be adding it over here? See, signature and date. Let me open the Canada one also. Here also I could say the same format. See how I will be adding this one in the sense, for example, if I delete this, how I will be adding this in sense. Here I could see insert date, insert signature. If I click on insert signature, see from whom I should take, from the assigned to or closed by, to whom I will be taking that signature is the most powerful one. So here in my criteria, everything I'm just going to get it from, I'm writing this employee verification letter in Canada. It may be concerned for my user profile and from my HR profile, I'm just getting it up. So I will be making this to be available for my, as a subject person only, I'm going to sign it. Okay. If I click on open for signature will be coming. Assign to, in the sense, assign to signature will be coming in. See how the signatures are getting deferred over here. In the place of signature, I'm just changing the value. So this people's signature will be applicable, or it will be asking the signature from that exact people. Okay. Are you trying to get it actually?
Yes,
Parsi.
Okay. So once you get that signature, you have to test the signature in the by creating a particular record and attaching this template to it. So now I can open a case, create a new case, and I could check whether I can able to do this one. Let me have this only for the assign to as of now. And I'm going to save this one. This document type is sitting in what? Employee verification letter document type. Employee verification letter type. Now I'm going to create a case. Create new case. And my employee verification will be like employee verification letter. Create case. I could see the case has been opened for this employee, and still it is in draft stage, so I couldn't see anything. I'm moving it to ready for work. So now I moved this particular one to be, so the HR case is created and it was assigned to this particular person. Okay. Now let me impersonate as Warren speech. For me, it is showing a start work. Once I click on it, it is showing close, complete, close, incomplete, and suspend. I have a document type called employee. I have a document type called employee verification letter. Okay. Here, my checklist is review the case and descriptive of any special instruction. Put the case in the work in progress. Generate the employee verification letter and ensure that it is only attached on the case. And then I have to review the PDF in the inaccuracy and missing information and review the requester HR profile. So what are the things? And I have to sign the letter and complete the case. This is my checklist over here. Fulfillment is fulfillment instruction. So every users come over here has to put this thing in the fulfillment instruction. Okay.
And when we select that HR service, automatically it took that document type, right?
Sorry.
When we selected HR service, automatically the document type populated, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just checking it whether there is some issue over here actually. Usually we can see it easily actually. It will be automatically popped up on the top. Already it is work in progress. Put this in Canada or US. So now I put as this type as 2 letter. That's the reason it cannot select anyone. Now I selected it one. I'm going to preview the document. This is my preview document and it has all the information, but I don't see a sign over here. It has generated the date, but now I'm going to generate this document. Before signing, I couldn't do that. It just generated a document. But the generation of the document is with no signature. Now I have to I can send an email or suspend it. Without a signature, I just generated it. But that's not the way to do this one. I'm going to sign the document. Click on sign. A signing print page will be appear. From here, I can sign it. As it is, the pen is the who's that? Some war and speech, right? If you are saying to, we can type it or we can draw it as we like. Signature has been accepted. It will automatically get generated in the system.
And what you did for signature? How you did? Can you show me again?
I just click the button on the top. But it doesn't appear over here.
No.
Sorry?
Can you do it again, Prasi, as general
Now I
mention?
choose the Canada, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to save it again. I have to create one more thing. Wait, let me create one task, okay?
Okay. Mhm.
Again, it is assigned to me. I'm going to start the. Now I have to choose the PDF template as Canada. And I have to save this one. I can preview it first. I don't see anybody's signature, especially the assigned to signature. I'm going to sign that document. Click on sign.
Mhm.
Going to drag like foreign speech. I'm going to click on accept it. It automatically generated. Let's see whether I have my signature over there. I have my signature, see?
Okay. So, Prasi, actually, we have already defined it in that document template. To
Huh?
insert we have already inserted the signature in the document on the document template.
Mm.
But why
But
it
that
is
is
not
dynamic, okay? If it is for assign to in the sense, assign to has to sign it up.
okay? So if it is other person, he is not able to sign that one.
This is like the signature. For example, if you take this Canadian employee one,
You are in impersonate. We need to end the impersonate.
if you see over here, it will be showing whose signature it is, whether it is
Okay.
assigned to whatever it is. So it is a dynamic one. Whoever user it is assigned, they will be signing it.
So actually, my question is, okay, it is dynamic Prasi. So if it is not the assigned person who is impersonated, then he is not able to sign that one, or whether he can sign that one. If the assigned person, if
Only assigned to. For me, this case is assigned to war and speech, okay?
okay,
That's the reason he is actually
he is able to sign
signing
that
it up.
one.
Mm.
Okay.
And Percy, in real time, we don't want this, right? If we want an employment verification letter, directly we go to the portal and we click that employee verification portal, right? They're all ready-made, right? No need to raise case and assign to should sign in and all. It won't work, right, in real time.
Now, this is I'm showing some example how to create the signature and how to generate a deal for a particular employee verification. Not only employee verification, whatever record it is actually. This is how you have to create your signature and date. And that signature and date will be signed by the person who you are mentioning in that system.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Prasi.
Okay. Okay. Now, 1 minute. Now I'm going. Are you having this thing in your PDA ready actually?
Yes,
Guys?
Percy, but it's hibernating.
No?
It's hibernating. My instance is still not wake up.
We have it ready in the sense I can give you some assignments.
Okay, you can give us.
Okay, no worries. Now you know how to, you can same wise you can add your organization logo and other stuffs also. Okay. Now I'm going to create some PDF templates for you. Okay. For example, I'm not sure whether I have that PDF template in mind. Let me check. Let us create one. Going to create a letter of resignation for the department, our HR department. And what type of document this is. Let us keep this document as an internal document, and for the contract employee, audience is internal, classification is contract, type as contract or procedure, whatever we need it up. Okay. And for the auto increment stuff, like we can we don't need any, if we need some other information in the sense, we can give this auto increment. As this is the letter of resignation which is submitted by the employee, we don't need that one. So I'm just keeping it as it is and saving it up. So once I did this one, I'm going to upload any kind of uploads from the system actually. Can you upload any kind of template from your net actually for the resignation letter template? Okay, I have one template. I'm going to upload it. Upload. Choose file. I have that template, PDF template. Okay, this is my template. And if I open it up, it is showing this format, and I have my name, job title, address, country. It has to be auto populated over here. We can even auto populate that in the system. Now, to auto populate this one, I'm going to click on submit revision. So once I can submit this revision, and I can also going to do some changes in that particular one. One minute. Now this is done. Now I'm going to let me check out this document actually. And publish this revision. Let's click on publish. Now I have to go for HR document template. Here I see multiple other templates. Going to create a new one over here. I can create PDF document template or document template. Both the things will be working over here. Now I'm going to select as PDF document template. For which HR case and which one I can choose as of myself. Let us choose my HR things as letter of resignation or any other name that is related to it. And my I just uploaded one of the document. Okay. So once I did this one, I could see the PDF mapping over here. Can you see? The mapping template we could see. So I'm going to parse the, once I click on parse PDF, I could see city, address, country, subject, person, zip code, job title, state, which is coming from this document template. So I click on PDF reviews. Subject, person, job title, address, this are coming from the table values automatically. It is trying to push and create it actually. This is how it is mapping our fields from this one and over here. And we can mark signatures. in the system. We can add a field for the signature in the below or top. Add field over here. Name as sign here. And this has to be signed by the subject person. Okay, let us see. Let's review PDF. Sign here still not appearing, right? It will be shown over here. Let's see how it is working actually. How I did up to this one, and I'm going to choose this value to be the subject person value, because I see everything is mapped as only city, state, and this one. So I can choose the mapping field over here.
And if you want to create field, there is no option we could see, right? Percy?
Huh?
If you want to create new field, we couldn't see
Hmm.
any option there, right? New field, new button itself is not there, right?
Subject person city. Sorry, what was it?
No, if you want to create any new field, right, on PDF template mapping, there is no option, right? That's why I'm asking.
No, you can't create. Only if you have something in the PDF, then you can mark it over here. That's it. You can't create it.
It,
The
Actually,
PDF
you got the sign
word has
here.
to be persist. You can't create it.
You got the sign here added here, Prasi.
Like this, you can put the subject person over here also. Okay.
The sign here got added Prasi here.
Huh?
The sign here, it got added.
Yeah. Now let us save this document. So let us create a case subject. I don't think so that it was added to any other media for document. It doesn't provide anything. But our subject person is satisfied. It has to be provided the information of that, right?
Your voice is low, Prasi, actually.
Huh?
We didn't get yours.
Sorry.
Actually, your voice is low.
Can you please generate a document, this kind of document, and check how to generate this one? If you still can't find, I can tell you like how it will be get generated. Yeah. Automatically by the way. Guys,
Yes, Prasi.
I'm just winding up the session today a little early. So tomorrow we can have some, we can start with our other sessions, okay? I will show you the result for this one.
Okay, Press.
Take care, everyone. Bye.